Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Exness affiliate referral link. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to my.exness.com and sign into your account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Then from here, you're going to be taken to your dashboard or the Exness main page. So I'm inside my accounts here. From here on the top left hand corner, I want to click on the 3 horizontal lines. Then from here, we need to scroll down and click onto Exness products. Here it is here. Click the drop down menu and then click onto the partnership button. Now, once we're on the partnership page or inside Exness, we can scroll down and then we're going to have our referral link. So it should be under your partner link. So go ahead and click on share, or you got a QR code you can share as well. So go ahead and click on share. We can copy this link or we can send it to our contacts inside of our phone.